Chrysler Town & Country 2014 P0456 code with the check engine light on. So we're gonna replace the gas tank cap and see if that solves the issue. So here is the code P0456. We're going to clear it and see what happens. I've already replaced the gas tank cap. So clear, see what happens. So right now the check engine light is gone, and we'll see if it comes back again. Usually these come back almost instantly, and right now it's holding up really well. In this case, P0456 gas tank cap replaced with this stand. This one comes with a tether attached. Let's turn, tighten past 3 clicks. Tether is there. We'll remove the old one and install this in its place. Comes with a retainer.